How to see first Instagram message without scrolling. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now tap on account center. Now scroll down a bit and tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on download your information. Again tap on download or transfer information. Now select your Instagram ID and tap on next. Tap on some of your information. Now scroll down a bit and select messages and tap on next. Tap on next again. Now select the range and tap on save and tap on create files. Now wait for the mail. Now open up your Instagram again. Tap on your information and permissions. Again tap on download your information and tap on download. Now enter your password. So after downloading, open the file to see the first Instagram message without much hassle. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.